Good afternoon. Where are you flying to today?
Los Angeles.
May I have your passport, please?
Here you go.
Are you checking any bags?
Just this one.
Okay, please place your bag on the scale.
I have a stopover in Chicago. Do I need to pick up my luggage there?
No, it'll go straight through to Los Angeles. Here are your boarding passes. Your flight leaves from gate 15A and it will begin boarding at 3:20. Your seat number is 26E.
Thanks.
Please lay your bags flat on the conveyor belt and use the bins for small objects. Please lay your bags flat on the conveyor belt and use the bins for small objects.
Do I need to take my laptop out of the bag?
Yes, you do. Take off your hat and your shoes, too. Please step back. Do you have anything in your pockets? Keys, cell phone, loose change?
I don't think so. Let me try taking off my belt.
Okay, come on through. You're all set. Have a nice flight.